let's see how we're going to remove the boiler so we can inspect the valve on the boiler and generally removing the boiler on this machine. Now I already removed the brew group. I'll show you how to remove it if you don't know. Okay, just return this pipe so we can check what is wrong. Yeah, and now we'll see if water goes in and flows. I think it will flow from here though. Yes, but let's see if we clog it up. Nothing. So let's see. I'll just take 17mm spanner if I have one. I don't think I have one, but this one I will open up. Yeah, and we'll check the condition. I'm too lazy to go and take 17mm spanner, so pliers will be. I hope I don't ruin it, because it's like 5 days holidays where I am, so if I ruin it, I'll ruin it, huh? No, I'm not. So let's see now. This one is looking fine. I got this little thing that goes like this. These look new. Someone's been here. I think this one is supposed to move. Can you see? That's a problem. What we're going to do is take a Phillips head and remove the whole thing. To me this does not look okay. Can you see? Someone's me here. Why would you do that? Okay, don't worry, I'll buy the correct stuff. Okay, so I'll submerge the whole thing. I'll submerge the whole thing into a fluid, and this will here will get moving. But yeah, that's the one right there. Can you see clogged? Wow. This is what I'm using. I'll boil some water and I'll pour it in. Do you think we should open it and clean it up as much as I don't want to? If I can undo the bolts, I'll do it. Man, nothing works now. You'll see now. This one here is okay to sit there for a couple of hours. Just take a big knife, place it on the edge and tap on top of it. And here as well. Can you see? It's splitting open. Same on the other side. Something fall on. Oh, it's okay. That's where the balls go through, so you're not going to ruin the whole thing. But still be careful. There we go, it's open now. It's not that bad. But it will definitely need a new gasket. Wait a second. It's missing a piece. Yeah, definitely there should be a piece. I have a gasket right here. Now what I'm going to do, this one needs to be out, and this one also needs to be out. I'll take something flat and I'll just submerge it in solution. Here, here, this one, okay. And leave it there for a couple of hours. I'll show you now the result after 3 days being in the solution. Can you see? And here, here. So now I'll just scrub it off, and here you can take a screwdriver as well. There we go, this is cleaned. Not really possible to take all of the lime scale out, but most of it is out. And also on this side. Surface here is nice and clean. Also cleaned on this side. I'll purchase the first working day today. Oh, I did not clean this one, and this was the most important, but it cleaned itself, so not a lot that we can want. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I can see. Can you see the opening right there? It was completely blocked. So no problem on this side. Here is clean as well. You can even see it through the pipe that it's clean. Spring fell off on its own as well. Before that was not possible. See how nice it cleans up. testing. Now it will need a new seals, I think, will be beneficial. See this one? A few more pieces there is. And this one. Okay, and then the needle. Plunger was completely blocked inside it. This one is okay. I think this one was sitting like this, huh? Yeah. Need this thing on top. Here. Like this. Yeah. And when this one is making pressure, yeah. So if the group is not in, it's not going to leak any water. And this one, I think there is a side as well. Do you think? Yes, there is a side. This plunger. Here, this rubber looks okay. Oh, my nail is awful. I went to the village side yesterday, so a little bit of digging. Okay, this goes in. Okay, well, let's purchase the seals. Now when we have a set of seals and everything is relatively clean, can be even cleaner if you ask me. Let's just make sure that it's clean. You can see there is like a little lip on the side. So just clean it up. I don't recommend using metal if you feel uncomfortable. But I think we'll be okay with this one. Okay, this one's clean. This one also needs to be cleaned. Okay. Looks perfect to me, except here. Okay. Now, seal looks like this, and it's wedged right here. This one seems a little bit smaller, but it will be okay. Just like that, and there is a square seal. You see it's square. It fits right here. Okay. So now, this one is smaller. It's, you can see, it's not formed properly. Okay, we'll give it a little bit of mouth lubrication. Should be okay. And then we'll wedge it. This surface should be clean. This one is relatively clean, but if it's not, just like that, clean it up a little bit. Okay, squish it. And now I'll show you a little trick. Did we put the rectangular one? I think we did, yeah. In a cross pattern. Okay, now you can see that it's not pressed all the way in. These are fine. If the trick is, if it doesn't want to get in by its own, yeah, just press it in a vise or with a vise grips, yeah. So just press it here. I can even show you now. Like that. And squeeze right here, just like this, yeah. Here we go. Again on this side. This one is smaller. Because you can otherwise strip the thread, and you definitely don't want to strip the thread, so keep that in mind. Okay, now one more here on the bottom. Yeah. Good, and now one more. And this is done. Now you need this seal. Place it in there, make sure it's clean, yeah. Good. Place it in there. And then into here you can see that this one slips right in. Yeah. Okay, so a little bit of mount grease. And then right onto it like this. Okay. And we need the screws now. 4 of them. I showed you 1 screw. Where did the 1 screw went? Right there. Okay, and now you can see, it's good when you have this little gap. Can you see the gap? That's when the seal is good. Yeah. If you don't have a gap when you fit in a new one and you're not sure if you need to replace it or not, if you don't have a gap, you have a leak. Okay, now what we need to replace is, now let me show you the internals first. Okay, this valve needs to be cleaned and freely moving. Okay, this is clean. Spring goes in. Okay, used to be able to go in freely on this side, you can see. And then here, this should be clean. Yeah, and this will take it out. Good. Yeah. And these two, I think they're the same size. You can see them, or maybe they're not. No problem. Just take it onto here. Take this one out, and take this one out as well. You might clean this one if you have time. Good, and now a little bit onto here. Good. Now, let me check this one. Unfortunately, I can't give you the sizes. So the slimmer one goes onto here, because I just purchased them from a vending machine specialist, and he does the rest. Okay, shiny one, and the other one. Good. Now onto here, this goes in this way, like that. Then here, this is perfectly cleaned. On the back there is nothing, yeah. And this copper piece goes like that, and it moves. This one drops in there, and you can see it. How it behaves, yeah. So when the spring, because it's spring loaded, when the brew group goes in, this lets the water out. Otherwise it's not going to let the water out. Now we align the spring with the plunger, but first a little bit of mouth grease. You can use grease for silicone grease as well. My own machine, so no problem. Okay. A 17mm spanner. I don't have a 17mm spanner, so I'll just do it with the adjustable. Like this. There we go. And now this one moves like so. Okay. That's replacing the, I forgot the, oh. Anyway, this one and this one need to be in, secured by this. You can replace the thermal paste as well. Now just fix what I forgot. This one is on this side. Yeah, this one is on this side. Okay, and we got this bracket that sits right here, like so. And where is the screw? This one. Maybe it's even better to do it that way, because you can squeeze it harder with the middle screw, and after that you can install it as you want. There we go. And now here I'm missing the grounding plate connector. On top. Good, and that's all the seals replaced onto the boiler. Okay, now to install the boiler, now just carefully lift up the cables right here and try to slot it in. Inside, no. Good. Like that, somewhere. Okay. And now how do we know it's in the correct spot? On the side, I'll put the screws in. So I'll just align the openings and I'll screw the bolts in. Okay, so this one is right here installed. Next thing will be connecting the pipes and the wires. First thing will be this one goes to the board. I'll show you where it goes in a second. Then this one, the black one, yeah, goes to here, yeah, and the ground wire goes to here. After that we have on this one water pipe goes in. If we can. Okay. Try to. There we go, it's in. Needs to be all the way in. And we have a little slotted spring. But it's so nasty to install. I don't like it at all. Maybe with a little plier will be easier. See, huh? No. Maybe on this side then. No, then from this side. Come on, go in. Not the most cooperative thing in the world, I'll tell you that. There we go. Back. Okay, next. Where it goes this one? Ah, yes. here. Good. Which was easy. Yeah. Still need a little bit of persuasion to go in. Am I doing something incorrect? Maybe I am. Okay, I'll put it in with a little bit of persuasion, and when I'm done, I'll just show you. I don't know, when you didn't watch, I put it in like in 3 seconds, I don't know. Anyway, so we continue now with this bunch of wires. They go underneath here. Funciona. Underneath here, so, and from here to the side I'll show in a second. And we have, there was a metering device somewhere that needs to be connected as well with some colorful little wires. This connector. And there was another wire. Oh, there we go. This one is connected right here. You can't see it. I almost can't see it, but it needs to be plugged into there. Maybe if I squeeze these two. No. Yeah, there is only one way. 301 cell on the left. And then we need the power from the heating element. There we go. This one is on the right of that connector. So I'll just move this one here. Yeah. Okay. And this one is on the top, like this. And now you can sit right here without moving too much. I think that's all the wires I put. Yeah. Water pipe going in. Good. Oh, my kid is ready with the bath. So now and what else? Screws here, here, and onto the adjustment knob. But after I cook a dinner for the kid. Okay, let's finish this one. Big one on the left, small one on the right. My nose is killing me. No, two. You know what I did? I did a little mistake. And I wonder. Yeah. The little. I think it will be okay. screws were the other way around, but that will be okay, I hope. Now we're only left with 2 little screws for the front of the machine. We'll just put them on. Okay, so let's quickly assemble all the rest of it and make sure that everything works. I don't know, is the rubber first or which one is first? I think the rubber is first. Good. Then we'll have one plastic. This one, why doesn't want to stay? Don't know, and I don't really care. You don't want to break this bit. To me it looks okay for testing. Good. I love coffee. I simply love it. Where is the tray? Stop up some water. Now I will be paying attention for some leaks. And strange noises. Okay, good. Brew unit missing. Nothing is missing, my friend. Warming up. Good. Okay, so let's see how the Hotel California is working. Hope it's California. This one. Oh, we got coffee! Maybe a little bit too much for the coffee brew, but still okay. Is it coffee? Yes, it is. It's okay. Seen better. Good. Count it as fixed. Needs adjustment though. Hope this video is helpful to you, and I'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.